my name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you're looking for a perfect pair of sweatpants, I have got you covered. So Trendy Queen has brought us the perfect pair of sweatpants. Now, guys, I love these so much. So the functionality of these is awesome. They look great in pictures as well as being worn. I love that they are the perfect shade of pink. You're going to see quickly that they go with everything. The drawstring is nice and long as well as being thick and has really durable hardware, which also makes it great because the rise allows you to wear it higher or lower depending on your outfit preferences. And as you can see, there's a lot of outfits you can create with this perfect shade of pink. I am absolutely obsessed with these. I have been wearing them nonstop for a very long time, so they are nice and durable. I love the pockets as well. They have this lining on the inside of them, which just makes them super luxurious feeling. And the fabric itself is really, really thick and durable. Like, it is that nice quality sweatpant material, and it's very comfortable as well. I've also washed these plenty of times, so I can tell you they do withstand the washing machine as well. So if you are looking for a nice pair of sweatpants, seriously, I cannot recommend these enough. And that's my point of view.